searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, 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 everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job.
Welcome back to my channel. So today y'all, we are back with another wig video, and today's video is with one of my favorite companies, Luvmehair. They sent me over this beautiful loose curly wig, y'all, and this wig is a little different from what I usually do because it has like a couple blonde streaks in the front. So I'm really excited to be installing this wig. I already showed y'all the construction of this cap. This wig came with pre-bleached knots. I did not bleach the knots in this wig. The knots are pretty like almost invisible. I didn't have to bleach the knots in here, which saves me so much time, but I did wash this wig straight out of the box, and I did pluck it a little bit, but their wigs also do come pre-plucked as well. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to bleach knots or pluck a wig, these wigs are going to be for you because you don't have to do any work. So I recently brought this ebon tinted lace spray, using this on my lace because like I said, I did not bleach the knots, but the knots do come pre-bleached. So if you guys would like knots a little more invisible, you can just take some makeup and put it on. This one is in the shade light warm brown, so I'm just gonna take this and literally just spray my knots on here. This is what the lace looks like after I sprayed it with the tint spray, and as y'all can see, it made a huge difference. So what I love about Luvmehair wigs is that they come with an adjustable strap. So this is amazing for glueless installs. They always come in handy because it's gonna make sure that your wig is not going nowhere, because obviously we're not using any glue or any spray. So we need that extra security with our wigs. Like I said previously, we have a little blonde action going on. I just think this is so cute. This is also their beach wave hair, if I'm not mistaken. So the curls is gonna be nice and like loose curl, which I love. So yeah, let me give y'all up close of the lace. I wanted to do a middle part. Now looking at this, the side part is kind of eating, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know. Should I just do a middle part? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a middle part. Actually, I don't know, y'all. Alright, I think I'm just gonna do a middle part. We're just gonna do middle. The install is going to be completely glueless. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. The no baby hairs and the glueless installs, just, I don't know, like, they just been growing on me so much. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, if y'all watch my previous wig install, the one that I like just uploaded, I did like minimal baby hairs, and I just love the way it looked. Like, I don't know, I think I'm growing out of like the thick baby hair look. I don't know what's going on. So let me cut off this lace real quick. Wow, y'all, look at that. That looks so good, and I didn't do anything. That looks so amazing.
But the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with a yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside.